Hello mga ka-G! Welcome back to my vlog! We are now in Dairy Queen at SM Bacoor in Cavite. Bisitahin po natin ang Dairy Queen and kasama ko po yung aking mga pamangkin na kids na tuwang-tuwa dito sa ice cream, mga dessert po dito sa Dairy Queen. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo dito sa vlog namin today. Konting background or in history lang po, more than 70 years na po pala ang Dairy Queen. Its story began with a 10-cent sale of an unnamed product in 1938 sa Illinois. Grabe, ang tagal na pala nito. Ito po, mag-enjoy po kayo. Usong-uso po sa kanila ngayon ang cheesecake flavor.
Oh, Blizzard of the month is Cheesecake Fest. I want some cheesecake, Papa. You want Oreo? I want mango cheesecake. Ultimate. How about them? Are they buying food? Ask the kids. The kids and the adults.
What do you want?
Come on, tell Papa what you want. We order. How about the others? Ask them. Pag gusto ko yung Blizzard na cheesecake, ultimate. What do you want to order? Come on. Oh, you want blueberry? I want the ultimate choco cheesecake or the mango cheesecake. The what? Oreo, okay.
Grabe, ang dami pong tao dito. Ang daming kids na nakapila. Pinagkakaguluhan po ang Blizzard na napaka-iconic po. Kilalang kilala sila. Sinaserve po nila ang ice cream upside down na hindi nalalaglag. So, amaze na amaze po ang mga tao dyan. And nag-iiba-iba po sila ng offering sa Blizzard. Iba-ibang flavors. So, this time po, cheesecake po ang naka-feature nila. Panoorin po natin.
Blizzard din?
Paying na po tayo sa cashier. Konti na lang. Andiyan na ang ating mga DQ ice cream.
Wala.
And the other guy is an investment tycoon.
Which one? Really?
I can't remember his name. He's an investment tycoon. But the guy on the right is Bill Gates, and they're working at.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Ah, they're the ones at the cashier? Wow. That's fun.
What is his name? I can't remember. I can't remember his name.
Kuya, sino yung nasa ano nyo? Nasa video? Tsaka?
Who's the other guy? It's an investment tycoon. I can't remember his name. He's a stocks guy. The guy on the right. Who's the guy on the right? I know Bill Gates and somebody else. I can't remember his name.
Hindi ko na alam ni Kuya kung sino. Anyway, ito na po. Excited na mga kids. They can't wait.
If I had internet, I would find out.
Sa serving. Ay, pinaprinted.
Fine.
Come here, come here. Come here. Are you ready to get your stuff?
We have to turn
You get
it
your
upside
things?
down. It's a trick.
Get your ice cream?
Ayan na, mga
Are you guys excited?
Or what? Yeah, they are.
You
Look at them.
excited.
Look at them.
You look like you've already had a bunch of sugar already.
A lot of people buy here.
Yeah, you see the line earlier? It was all the way
Yeah,
around the corner. And
right.
right. By the other store.
Uh, they keep on coming.
Dairy Queen was like the second best in the U.S. The first best was TCBY.
There's none here yet.
No, I don't know why.
What is it?
TCBY.
Easy BY. And then,
And then you had
And
Baskin
then-
Robbins and then Dairy
Uh-huh.
Queen.
Oh, I think we have
Yeah,
Baskin Robbins here.
Yeah. That is, I think it's in BC,
BGC.
main city, BC.
Also in Makati, I think they
Yeah.
have. In
But that's it.
Glorieta or Green.
CCBY was like really, it was frozen yogurt. It wasn't ice cream. There's one it's similar to it at the mall. Can't remember the name of it though.
Look at
They
them.
serve frozen yogurt, not ice cream.
Oh, there are lots of frozen yogurts lately.
GCBY had like all types of awesome flavors.
Really?
My favorite was strawberry.
It's not yet here yet.
Yes.
Not here yet.
They're pretty messy. Doesn't that bother your eye? Do you feel it? Gives me eye infections all the time. So I'm always having to pull it down.
Look at Kuya, it's so fast.
Eye infection.
Look at him.
Keep getting,
He's doing
I
it
keep getting
very,
sty
very
in my
fast.
eye.
Ano to? Ano mga ice cream nila? At meron pa?
I would have loved to have Bill Gates ring up my ice cream. I'm the second richest person in the U.S.
After,
Elon Musk.
oh, Elon. Is a trillionaire now, I heard.
Elon Musk is the richest person on the planet right now.
Is becoming a trillionaire soon.
He's ridiculous.
Wow.
The guy just, every idea he has is just brilliant.
And Amber Heard almost had him.
Yeah. And then she left him for Johnny Depp. She, Andrew,
That's it. Look at that.
Cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake.
Kuya, tagalan mo nga ganon.
Can I eat my ice cream?
Strawberry. Kanina yung strawberry pa.
isa pa. Ito yung
Like this.
Wanna try mine? It's cheesecake.
Alright, so I think we had every flavor of the Dairy Queen here. My personal favorite, because I love blueberry, was the blueberry cheesecake. And I also like the Oreo. But
Does it taste like real
it tastes
cheesecake?
just like back home.
Okay.
Tastes like cheesecake and ice cream. Can't have better than that. And of course, you got the classic ice cream sandwich.
Do you like it? Is it good? Okay.
It's not good. It's amazing.
Wow.
One of the biggest qualities of Dairy Queen, though, is it's extremely creamy.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't have any of that icy flake stuff you get from like Nestle or anything like that.
Oh.
Just tastes like you melting milk in your mouth. Great.
Wow. Good.
It's really good.
Nice. What's that you're having? What do you call that one? It's a cookie sandwich?
No, marshmallow
Oh.
ice cream sandwich.
Oh, good, good.
I call it.
Ice cream sandwich or cookie sandwich.
Okay. Is that popular back in the US as well?
Dairy Queen for sure. Dairy Queen used to be in all types of like ice skating rinks.
Oh, okay. How
My
about you?
hands are freezing.
Ano pa? Ayaw. Father's Day Blizzard cake. They have one too. Wow. Until here mga ka-G, thank you for joining us. Subscribe po kayo para notified pagka po meron ulit kami mga bagong vlogs with my pamangkins. Thank you for watching. This has been Plantorni G.